Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday and what we expected on that. As per our advice, it was a market watch day, and the chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart. This candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here to 5,490. And right after the opening, the price took various support near 5,490 and tried to move up, but we have not witnessed much volatility, and finally the price closed near 5,550. So today it's expected to open somewhere near 5,460, which is the Friday's low. So still you can expect crude oil to stay on the buying side, but with a clear word of caution, which means that wait for the price to test 5,420, and from there you can start buying till 5,360 by placing stop loss at 5,350. So this is going to be our strategy or trading plan for today. And always you are welcome to try the call options, out of money call options, because in this type of situation, when we try to buy on the drop down, there are chances that at times the price will come and trigger the stop, and then it will start moving again in our favorable direction. So it's always better that you can try the call options, out of money call options. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.